my name is Ida.
Hi, my name is Kassie.
And we are the owners of Restoration Coffee.
My favorite drink here is a white mocha with raspberry sweet cream.
My favorite is the iced Carletto with caramel sweet cream.
As followers of Jesus, we have felt restored in His grace and have felt a calling to start up a coffee shop.
We are extremely picky at coffee. Back in April. March? Yeah. We came up with the idea back in March, and our dad helped us put together this trailer so we could get it going.
Our mission and purpose here is to help each one of them that come to our window to feel known and valued. As followers of Jesus, we have been fully restored in His grace and love and now have a leading to help others find full restoration in the Lord. May you feel seen, known, and loved each time you order your drink here at Restoration Coffee.